we debated 4 hours on NIT bill. It is a similar bill in a way. Introduction of new IITs. And the quality of debate, the unanimity of purpose, what was on display 2 days ago is very important, because over the years, after 70 years of independence, we have achieved the expansion of education. Now we all should worry about the quality of education, accountability of education, affordability of education. And to that extent, the debate was really a very heartening debate, which I found out. आज जो हम बिल ला रहे हैं वो इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी का है। ये पहले 1961 में कानून बना, उसके बाद में फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट वाज कैरिड आउट इन 1994 टू इंक्लूड आईआईटी गुवाहाटी. Then there was another amendment to include IIT Roorkee Engineering College into this IIT Roorkee, and that was in 2002. In 2012, IIT Bhubaneswar, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, Indore, Jodhpur, Mandi, Patna, Ropar and Varanasi were included. So we have now a very robust system of Indian Institute of Technology. Today with this bill, we are now including 6 new IITs: Tirupati, Palakkad, Dharwad, Goa, Jammu, Bhilai. And we have a wonderful best Indian Institute of Mines in Dhanabad. We are declaring that also as an institute of national importance and to integrate it with the Indian IIT system. So this is the purpose of that, the technical aspect of this. Jammu, we are having the function. I am going there on 6th of August. The site for setting up of IIT Jammu has been selected. 400 acres of forest land has been de-reserved and handed over to a higher education department in the state. The KCS College of Education has been approved as the temporary campus for commencement of its academic session in year 16-17, and society has been registered because some IIT started last year, so we started with society as a format, but before degrees we have to convert them into IITs proper so that they can grant the degrees. Society has been registered and now under the Societies Registration Act. In Chhattisgarh, in Bhilai, we will open that on 7th August. There is a 349 acres of land in Kutul Bhata village of Bhilai, district Durg, along with 88 acres of land in village Sirsa have been selected for setting up of IIT Bhilai. And it will be also, I am very sure, it will become one of the best IITs. In Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati, IIT Tirupati has been registered under the Societies Registration Act in 15. 460 acres, 60 acres out of 511 acres land has been handed over by the state government. Academic session has been commenced last year and with the sanction, and now the foundation laying staying money, that also is already operational. IIT Kerala is, IIT Madras is the mentor institute. It will be working at Palakkad, and it has been registered as Malabar Societies Registration Act, and total area of 500 acres. Government land 134 acres, private land 367 acres. Out of the private land, 209 acres has been acquired, and academic session has commenced in 15-16. So, and there are others also. IIT Goa, we will be laying the foundation stone, and Dharwad also on 30th and 31st. So, inauguration, it's already ready and we are now inaugurating. The site of setting up of IIT Goa has been in Lolim, Kankon Taluka, in South District, and the temporary campus started in 16-17 from academic session and has been identified, Goa Engineering College campus, and society has been registered. In IIT Karnataka, there is Dharwad. It's a complete project now which will be launched, opening. As Prahlad Joshi said it, he represents that constituency. site for setting up a permanent campus, IIT Dharwad, 470 acres, and all the chief ministers in respective states are also coming. So this is a big event for Indian education system, and I'm very happy to report that this year, not barring very few seats technically, otherwise IITs are full now. There is no vacancy. It's absolutely on merit, and it has worked wonders. This is giving us a new strength. So IITs, NITs, IIITs, IIMs and ISERs are all our institutes of pride, and thereby they have been recognized throughout the world as center of excellence. Yes, in ranking, as we were discussing earlier in the question hour, our ranking international doesn't go augur well. Actually, the status is much good, but that requires a strategic approach because perception carries 40% weightage in international ranking. So how to improve perception also, along with performance? And there I need cooperation of all sections of this house, because perception battle and performance, all we need to come together, brainstorm the things and come out with concrete plan and make endeavor so that the quality and the appreciation world over increases, and thereby we can achieve the place for higher education, because that is the key for new research, new innovation and new prosperity for the country. A long-term sustainable prosperity comes through research, innovation and that high quality of education. And to that end, today's bill is an important milestone, though in a way it's in a way technical bill. But I like that members to respond to this, because this is important milestone, and therefore I like the debate.
जो बीजेपी गलत कर रही है, ये जो पिछड़ों के ढोंग कर रही है, ये जो पिछड़ों का ढोंग कर रही है, अध्यक्ष जी इसको समाजवादी लोग, अध्यक्ष जी अनिल नेताजी बोलेंगे, मैं बैठ रहा हूँ, अध्यक्ष नेताजी बोलेंगे।